Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the patent agent exam. First, you need to confirm your eligibility, which is crucial for a smooth application. Then, gather all required documents, like your academic transcripts, well in advance. Finally, we'll walk through setting up your account on the USPTO online registration system, making the initial steps straightforward and easy to follow. To be eligible, you generally need a bachelor's degree in a recognized scientific or technical discipline. Your official transcripts must clearly demonstrate the required coursework, so double-check them carefully. Additionally, prepare a comprehensive resume detailing your technical work experience, as this helps support your application. Having these ready streamlines the entire process significantly.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. On another note, for all your study materials and leisure reading, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your documents are ready, complete the online application form on the USPTO website with precision. Be sure to pay the required application fee, which is typically $110, using an accepted payment method. Finally, upload all your supporting documents electronically through the secure portal. This ensures your application is fully submitted and ready for review. After submitting, you will receive confirmation from the USPTO regarding your eligibility status. Once approved, you can then schedule your exam appointment at a designated testing center. This is the time to fully commit to studying, utilizing official resources and practice materials to prepare thoroughly for the examination. Effective preparation is key to success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.